So we just did multiplying with things with exponents. Now we're going to divide different quantities with exponents. So we're going to start with x to the 5th divided by x cubed. I'm first going to do this by writing out all the x's so you can see where we're coming from. X to the 5th is 5 x's multiplied together. And x to the 3rd are 3 x's multiplied together. Now, whenever I do this one, I kind of think of it as battle, where the dividing line is my battle line, and I have these guys trying to fight these guys. Now, when they go into battle, they're going to clash. These two are going to clash. These two are going to clash. And these two are going to clash. Oh, and all I have left are these two x's. And so the answer, if I have an x times an x, that's x squared. If you don't want to draw it out like that and show the battle scene, there's another way you can do it. For x to the 5th divided by x cubed, you can just say that it's x to the 5th minus 3. Because that's what we did, right? We ended up with 2. We subtracted it out. So we take the exponent on top and subtract the exponent on bottom, and we still get x squared. You can either draw it out and count or subtract. Let's show a different option. Okay, let's say we have x to the 7th, y to the 3rd, over x to the 4th, y to the 4th. So for this one, I'm going to do one where, as I said, we're going to do the battle. Oh, that's 7 x's. I didn't think about that, but it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3 y's. And we can do 4 x's and 4 y's. So I'm going to do my battle. Blang, blang, junk, junk. And then bloop, bloop, bloop. And what I have left is 3 x's and 1 y on the bottom. Well, let's see what happens if we were to use the subtraction method. So it'd be x 7 minus 4 and y 3 minus 4. And that would give me x 3 y negative 1. These two don't look the same, do they? This one has y on the same side as x, but it has a negative exponent. This one has y on the denominator, but it doesn't have a negative exponent. We're going to see that these two mean the same thing. But when it comes to math, we write it all with positive exponents. We're going to talk about that in a bit on the next video. But the answer here is x cubed over y. Because the top x's win with 3 left over, and the bottom y's win with 1 left over.